Is it too crazy?
No, man. Miles, I see exactly what you're doing there, man. Yeah. You know, me and your dad used to do this back in the day.
Stop lying.
It's true. Then he took on the cop thing, and I don't know. He's a good guy, just, you know what I'm saying.
All right, come on, man.
I gotta roll.
Miles, let's go.